Hello friends, I just broke a bolt on this valve cover here. Actually, I deliberately broke it so I can show you guys how to take it out. First, don't be frustrated because it's not that bad of a job to take it out. First, you need a punch real sharp tip. The reason I picked this punch is because it goes in this hole here and fit perfectly, and then hit with the hammer just like this. Okay, and after that we'll remove the valve cover. As you can see there, broken, and you see my punch, it's already there. What I'm going to do next is I'm gonna drill it. The reason why I picked this spot to break, this way I can show you how to remove it. Other places, like around the corner on the bottom here, is a lot harder to remove, and I can show you that on next video. I'm doing this so that you can have a good idea of what needs to be done. So I'm gonna drill a hole here, like in the center of that bolt. Sometimes you're lucky enough, it'll push it right through. And this time it doesn't move, so you can keep drilling it. And make a deeper hole. Sometimes, like I said, sometimes the drill can push it right through. And this time in the center of it, this is good. I think that should be enough. Next is I get a drill bit. Okay, this is not your normal drill bit now. This is your left-handed drill bit. So it turned to the left so that hopefully it'll catch on the edge of this bolt here, this cut, and bring it right out. Get it really slow. Woo, look at that. Look at that. I got it. There. Success. And the hole is still remaining intact. No thread is damaged. Okay, so the tool you need, again, you need a drill. You can use a drill, or if you get really tight corner, you can use this real narrow drill. A hammer, really sharp punch that'll fit into the ear on the valve cover here. Okay, so you can center it, and a small drill bit to make a hole and maybe push it forward. If not, then after you make that hole, use the reverse drill bit and pull it out just like I did. Good luck.